been a minute since I've reviewed a product on here. So today, that's what we're gonna do. That product, this Oxo Digital Kitchen Scale. There's one specific reason that I bought this, and no, this isn't sponsored. I also didn't buy this just to do the review. I've been using it for around 6 months now. So let's jump right into it. To start, you can't deny that it's nice looking. It looks good on the counter, so you're gonna be less likely to get yelled at for not putting it away. Outside of it being nice looking, it feels high quality and durable. I don't feel like I'm gonna break it. As for powering it, it takes 4 AAA batteries that are easily replaceable, which means you don't need a USB cable, and the chance of it ending up in a landfill within the next year is highly unlikely. I've also been using the same 4 batteries it came with since I purchased it 6 months ago, and it's still working great. Now, the most important part of a digital kitchen scale is that it's accurate as possible, and as you can see, it's super sensitive. To test this with some weight, I used a 2.5 pound plate and a 5 pound plate. I know that not all plates are perfect, but it seems these are pretty close. Moving to the lighter side, there's half a teaspoon of salt, which is around 3 grams. Another way I use my scale, and this is more of a tip, is by putting whatever I'm looking to use onto the scale, tearing it, which means zeroing it out, and removing however much I'm using from it. This could be a meal prep portion, an ingredient you're using for a recipe like peanut butter, a serving from a snack bag, the list goes on. As you remove your portion, you'll see the scale read minus however much you're taking. This would be the total that you're using, so minus 12 grams here would be 12 grams that I'm gonna eat. By the way, who else likes these? Drop it in the comments. Moving on to the part you've all been waiting for, my one specific reason that I bought this. This right here, the convenience of being able to pull out the digital front to see the weight of anything that might be oversized. A baking sheet, stovetop pan, portioning into or out of a large meal prep container, and so on are some of the main things I use it for. With that said, I'd definitely say it's worth the 50 bucks, especially if it lasts me as long as my original scale, which would make this around 5 bucks a year. If you have any desire to check it out, I'm gonna throw a link to it below or on the website, which is always linked up here and also below. All right, if you made it this far and you use a digital kitchen scale, drop the comment, "Can it weigh me?" below and hit that thumbs up button. Thank you for watching. Hit that thumbs up button for some more reviews. Subscribe if you haven't already so you never miss a video. Don't forget to check out proteinchef.co for all your healthy recipe needs. And of course, stay healthy.